Wow, today we continue on sound blending, just to refresh your memories on what you have been learning. You have learned to practice segmenting with your fingers. And you are using gestures with words. That is, when you blend words, you demonstrate with your fingers. Now let's get started. Here you have 3 sounds. And. But by now, I'm sure you can just blend without even segmenting. Bend. Bend. Yes, but if you are yet to blend, you can as well segment each sound one at a time before you blend and fold your fingers. And here we have lend. Lend. Here comes another word. Can you try to blend this for me? Great. It reads send. Send. Beautiful. And this is what? Great. Red. I like that. Red. 3 sounds. Now, don't forget also, you have been learning about words that rhyme. That is, rhyming words. Do you remember? Yes, of course. I'm sure you do. Now, I told you that 2 words rhyme when they end with the same sounds. And these sounds can be 2 sounds, 3 sounds, or sometimes 4 sounds that end alike. So I want you to get ready, as we are going to be making some rhyming words. I will show one word and will give example of many words that rhyme the same. Here's an example. We have wreck, deck. Now you can see 3 letters here, but they have 2 sounds, ek. And here, shine, 9. Yes, these are 3 letters that sounds the same. And here comes 3-letter words, man. And here are more examples of words that have the same rhyming words. Can, run, pan, tan. Now read this for me, please. What do you see? Beautiful. Bug. Now let's see some words that rhymes with the word bug. Hog, mug, rug, snug. Yes, beautiful. All these are rhyming words. Here's another word. What does it read? Pop. I like that. Pop. Now see more words with hop, mop, stop, drop. All these are rhyming words. Let's check out another one. Can you read this, please? Beautiful. Kit. Now we have beat, feet, heat, sit. They are all rhyming words. Great. Hope you have fun learning today. Keep practicing until you become better. I look forward to see you in our next class. Bye-bye.